Here we are at Six Flags Wild Safari at Great Adventure in New Jersey.
This is something that I've wanted to do for quite some time now, but we've just always been a little bit too late, and the safari is either closed for the season, closed for time of day. So we had decided to make a special trip out here just for the safari.
And it's their final operating day, so
Yes!
we'll see all the animals before they, I guess, go to hibernation or
I'm so excited.
get to vacation. I don't know what they do, but
yeah, who knows? Maybe they'll like go to the Bahamas for the,
I think that's
winter.
what they do.
Yeah.
I think so, something like that.
Thank you to the Six Flags team for sending us the email notification that today was the last day. Otherwise, we would not have known, and we would not be here. So
that would have been just very sad because we would have missed it again. So
yeah,
that was your time.
I personally haven't done the safari since I was probably like 6 years old. So I literally don't know what to expect except animals.
It's my first
Sitting
time.
on a ride, animals.
Yeah, first time. Don't know what to expect.
And let's go see some animals. It does look kind of derpy on camera.
It looks derpy in real life.
Got some base camp bites if we get hungry.
Yeah, look at him.
Hi, buddy.
Whoa, you look so cool. Why is he looking at my hat? Why is he looking at me, Jess?
He loves your hat. His eyes are huge.
Yeah.
The great horned owl.
You mean the boo-boo vagrant?
You know what? That is what I meant.
Oh. This here is a nocturnal predator. It's easily recognizable by its two feathered eye-like troughs and yellow eyes. The yellow eyes, definitely though.
Yeah, those are really cool. Oh, I think he is eating a bird.
It looks like.
American kestrel. Oh, that's a cool name. Falcosporius.
Yeah, they hunt small rodents, reptiles, and insects. So he just finished a hunt.
Status, least concern.
Whoa, here I am in a tree at the Wild Safari. It's crazy here. Don't get it confused with Disney now.
Tree of Life, safari ride. I'm pretty sure we're at Animal Kingdom right now. Here we go. Safari off-road adventure. It is approximately 30 to 45 minutes.
Yeah, look at him.
First animal of the safari.
Not the one you were looking for, though.
Row 2. Just us?
Maybe. What a zen ride, huh? It's a cheese.
My name is Megan and our driver's name is Fred. Now before we get started, we do have some safety information to go over. First, just remain seated and keep your seatbelts fastened. Also on our left there, we do have a couple of our llamas. The name white rhino is a mistranslation of the Dutch word for wide. They were originally wide rhinos, so they're wide, square-shaped mounts. We have France zebras. Now zebras are actually dark brown or black with white stripes. Big stripe pattern is unique to the individual, like our fingerprints are to us. So those two little the white rhinos now. You can see the three of them are all together over there. Rhinos are poached. They're so pull leaves into their mouth and easy to eat. Giraffes unfortunately undergoing what we call a silent extinction event. In the past 30 years, numbers have gone down by 56%. All subspecies are considered to be endangered. Yeah, good view of it. On our right here, this is our Sabana Sunset Resort and Spa. You can put at sixflags.com. Yellow is open. Stay here for a minimum of 2 nights. For every night you stay, you get a free breakfast. You can see the giraffe drive safari and your choice of theme park to go to that day as well. Also other things here, your restaurant, bar, store, and spa. Will also have a fuller beard on their chest and longer hair on their legs compared to females. As heard, is mostly adult males on their necks of potential threats. Hunting is primarily done by the females, only success rate around 25. Lions are currently listed as vulnerable on endangered species list. Their population has declined by almost 40% in the past 20 years, now a population of roughly 20,000. Like our house cats, lions also have retractable claws. Are moved and larger to the instrument. Red lights are almost always found living near some kind of body of water now. And we're also going to have our common eel and they're the only birds have calf muscles. They have 3 toes, so it's foraging for their food.
He's like, hey, what are you guys doing?
So the females are more of a lighter gray color, also smaller in size.
Oh my gosh.
Males get about 6 feet tall, females about a half a foot and a half shorter on average. They can run, climb, and swim. You have to run the length to a football field between you for significance. But also the biggest predator is the Bengal tiger, who has declined in numbers. They'll get Africa. The males are like twice the size the females are. Males weigh about 53 pounds, females weigh about 37. That roller coaster piece in their area. Behind the truck. And I do recommend check out the rest of you check that out. We step down from the truck to the platform again. Head down the ramp and have a great rest of your day.
Cool.
I know, almost a Zen ride.
Yeah, that would be crazy, huh? Can't really get to see Medusa volleyed. This is what I aspire to be right here.
Holy moly.
He's huge.
Wow, I've never seen like their scales pulled apart like that.
Once popular in the pet trade, these snakes are considered an invasive animal in Florida, wreaking havoc on ecosystems that they've been introduced into.
Wow.
They ambush predators capable of taking down prey as large as deer and alligators.
There's a body. There's a speaker like up in its head.
Wonder why.
I don't know.
Is it playing anything?
No. Hey look, it's a pickup and drop off area for the safari. I doubt that. Maybe though. Well, the safari, I'm pleasantly surprised.
I like starting out the morning in like a safari adventure. I think that's cool.
I do too. Whenever we would go down to Disney, starting out your morning at Animal Kingdom, doing the safari first thing in the morning, it really is like so peaceful and like just beautiful. I wasn't really expecting much, but the animals were out or they were like bathing in the sun. The girl was very informative.
Oh yeah.
I enjoyed it. It was, again, very peaceful. I liked it a lot. Now, since we're so close, we're gonna hit a few rides over at the main park here.
Six Flags Great Adventure. Let's do it.
Yeah? Probably get some Flash.
Yeah, I was thinking Flash and El Toro. Those are my main two right now.
Pretty much.
But I also want to check out Medusa because it's volleyed, so let's see that.
We'll see what we get done here. Who would have thought we'd be here 3 times this year?
Not me.
Covered up the fountain, put this big old eagle.
Looks good.
Yeah, I will say, for this being like an actual Six Flags park, not a Cedar Fair specific park, they do a very good job still compared to other Six Flags we've been to.
Just like decorating and that kind of stuff, or what do you mean?
Just putting love into it.
Oh, definitely,
Like,
yeah. This is one of their pride and joys.
Definitely. Like, I know they got rid of King to Call, but they do a really good job, like, upkeeping and just trying.
Yeah, absolutely.
Welcome to Star Labs. Thank you for volunteering for the project known as...
So we went on Flash. Very glad that we did. Earlier what I said about this place being like organized, okay, there are some things that they could work on. Every time we've come here, the bag restrictions,
they change every time.
Every time. So like we went on Flash previously, and today I literally only have a fanny pack.
And I brought my small backpack that fits in lockers.
That's why we bring the small bags, because they always fit in the really small lockers.
Yep.
And the guy really wouldn't, he did not want to let us on. I mean, eventually they let us on, but it's like, it's just,
Yeah, it's...
if it can't, like maybe put like an airport, have a bin outside and say if your items can't fit in a thing this big, then it goes in a locker.
Yeah, it can't fit in there. Literally, that's a great idea.
Then I can't argue with
Have
you.
like a little mock locker out there and see if if they can't fit it in there, then no. That's a simple answer. Stop arguing with people that have small enough bags.
I literally have a fanny pack.
And I literally have a bag that's meant to fit in those small lockers.
Yeah.
Just being more consistent would be nice.
That would be nice. Wonder Woman's finally up and running. I said finally.
It looks better in the daytime than it does at night. At night it looks like a carnival ride.
Yeah, I kind of liked the lighting package.
I thought it was a little bit much.
I say finally open because every time we've been here, every time it's closed.
It's closed.
Yeah.
Or they're like waiting on parts and
Yeah.
We stopped for a couple road cokes.
Road Coke.
And made our way over to Nitro, which it's still down. So no Nitro today.
Yeah, and I would go on Jersey Devil, but I'm gonna be honest, last time we were here, they were like, ugh, no bags allowed. When literally, again, I just have a fanny pack, and like, I just don't wanna go through them being like, nah, no bags.
Yeah,
so I don't even have the desire.
It's a turn off, so we will go
I just wanna go on El Toro.
El Toro and stuff our bags in those because we know it'll fit.
Yeah, and they're not gonna give me crap for it. And it's the same size lockers. Well, I just don't understand.
Just some consistency, please.
Please.
Some random s'mores pits. Yeah, you gotta bring your own. Can't buy them anywhere. Oh wait, you buy one, you get 3. Browsko Flats.
No,
The bumper guards, the fender benders. See if we
Maybe,
can find any hot stuff.
Yeah, some leftover. That's actually cool.
I like that
I
one.
like that.
Yeah, that store was pretty much with nothing in it.
Yeah, but who knows? Maybe we would have found a T-shirt that's already on sale, and then more off a discount.
Oh yeah, we're all about that triple dip and discounts.
Yeah, triple dipping.
Making our way over to Medusa El Toro.
We want to go look at Medusa because apparently it's like bottom out. So we want to see it for ourselves, and then ride some El Toro because duh. And then probably go home.
Yeah. We couldn't go see Medusa Volley.
Yeah, they have it completely blocked off.
They have like a crane on it right now and employees up there. All right, El Toro.
That was a rough ride today.
That was a super rough ride. 1 train operations. Maybe it was because it wasn't warmed up, but it was a rough one.
It really was. It gave me the jelly brain real quick. My brain rattling around.
All right, got a final road coke.
Road Coke, even though I got 2. Never
right.
get Coke. try one more souvenir store to see if we can find merch, because we like don't have any Six Flags merch at all.
None.
So since there's a super discount, we're gonna see if we like something. I feel like I swallowed a bug on El Toro.
You have a bug on your nose.
No, I don't. Are you serious? Why do bugs always get
Yeah, right
attracted?
there.
Why do bugs always get
Yeah, you
attracted
do.
to me
Right
on
your nose.
rides?
There you go, you got it. Oh, now it's on the tip of your nose.
Always. Okay, that's gonna conclude our day here at Six Flags for the safari and the main park. We knew it was gonna be a short day, but it was a good day.
It was a great day. El Toro was a bit rough today.
Yeah, my brain's still lagging a little bit from that one.
I think Flash is growing on me a little bit more.
Yeah, that
It's
was
good.
fun. I like the hang time when you're upside down. It's just like weightless.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And the safari, I loved the safari
Yeah, got to
so
see Medusa
much.
a little bit. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Never seen a stuck coaster like that, so
Yeah?
interesting.
This definitely, though, will be the last time we're here this year.
Yeah.
So, don't know when we'll be back next year, but I'm sure we'll be back at least once.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned because we are not done with 2025. We still have quite a few things planned for 2025, so please stay tuned.
Like that video, give us a comment, and we shall talk to you guys in the next one.
Bye!
Goodbye! I don't know what this was, but goodbye!